So I've been battling a lot with particles in my paint lately, and I don't have the right sieve or filter. So turns out this membrane that you use for waterproofing works pretty damn well. It's probably not fine enough for a professional job, but for me it's perfect.
One eternity later.
I'm going to dig Tiffany out of here and get her outside, cleaned up once again, and touch up the primer where I missed, where the paint ran out. Alright, so let's take stock of where we are. You'll notice the wheel wells haven't been sprayed yet. I haven't done the boots yet. Still needs to get done. Wheel wells on this side as well. Couple of small areas that I missed, like there you'll see it's still yellow. And then on the inside, it's just coverage. I don't know if it'll show on the light, but there's still some red just gleaming through. I did try to spray it as thin as possible. Same on this side. Still the reddish tint from the red primer that I put on as a first coat. Want to get even coverage, and then obviously the roof as well. Still need to spray all of that, but first I'm gonna have to blow it all out with compressed air again, get rid of all the dust, and yeah, let's hope we can get some coats down today. that was an absolute stuff up. It's way too thick. Got tons of runs. My spray gun I seem to have destroyed when I took it apart and cleaned it the last time. Gonna have to figure that out and use my dad's gun. Never used it before, and it's super sensitive. It sprays nicely, but it's just way too sensitive. I'm not used to it, so it's like, yeah, it's gonna take a bit of time to get used to that one. But I think I just need to get myself a new gun. Definitely gonna screw up the top coat if I try to spray it with any of these two guns the way it is right now. I mean, I just soaked this thing with paint. It's not right. Alright, so I think that's it for today, or at least for this video. All the runs that formed I was able to sand off. I took some 600 grit, lightly sanded everything. I mean, I could put more primer on, but I was also told that more primer could also be a bad thing. It could actually cause peeling, so it's nice and thin. It still shines through every here and there, so generally I'm happy. The runs that are still visible are in like the wheel wells and stuff where it's going to be covered by other panels. So yeah, this is good enough for me. Next up, it's the color, and that's going to be its own video. Thanks a lot.